How to shoot group photos, teams, clubs, and groups, Part 1. Shooting teams, clubs, and groups are the same. It's just a group of students. The difference is sport teams have a uniform and can be associated with a specific location on campus, like the football field or the pool. Steps, Part 1. Where and when. Part 2. How, who, and other issues. Where? Association. Sport teams could be shot on the field or court that they play on. Is the club or organization closely associated with a physical location on campus, such as auto shop, band room, or any place else? Other clubs and organizations would probably want a more neutral location. Find the location for the group picture. Do a walking survey of the campus to look for locations. And don't forget indoor locations like the gym. Bring your picture template. We discuss this later. Things to look out for. You want the location to be out of the way of student traffic. You can't be taking a group picture when you're constantly going to have students walking through your picture. Is there enough space for a large group? You may want two locations, one for smaller groups and one for larger groups. How will you set up the shot? Check the background so it's not distracting. How is the lighting? Even light on all the faces? What is the direction of the sun? You don't want to be shooting into the sun where you have the sun hitting right into your camera lens. Where? These are examples of team pictures. And if you notice, they're in different locations. Softball field, soccer field, gym, pool, football field, and in the middle of campus. If you look around hard, you can find things. Use the logo on the field or court. Top picture, lacrosse team. We're using the logo on the middle of the football field. Bottom picture, badminton. We're using the logo in the gym. Bad weather alternatives, your plan B. Outdoor locations can be rained out from rain, snow, or other bad weather. You could also have a lot of mud on the ground. It's pretty hard to sit down on the ground when you're sitting in mud. Have alternative locations. If it's raining, go indoors, such as the gym, on the floor, or the bleachers. If the original field is muddy, use the football field where they have artificial turf and good drainage, or the bleachers, or in the gym. Background. The background is something associated with the team, such as scoreboard, soccer net, or other field items. You have issues, distraction, and dark. And we'll show you this later as we go along. Background related to the team or club. For example, the tennis team on the tennis court, soccer team in front of the soccer goal, baseball team on the baseball field. You can see the baseball scoreboard in the background. Football team on the football field, football scoreboard in the back. Lacrosse on the lacrosse field. So another question, background. Do you want the scoreboard or not? It may be a distraction or it may not be a distraction. Your call. Distracting background. Look at the top picture. See the people on the bleachers in the back. You got a great picture of your team, but are the people in the back distracting you? So we climb up the bleachers and we shoot down on them, totally eliminating the background. Dark background. Tricky problem in the gym if you're using flash. The farther away you are, the darker things get. When? Coordinate a mutually convenient time for the coach, the team, and you to take the picture. You also need to work around student traffic, such as during lunch period and immediately after school. Again, that's the problem if you're in the middle of campus and you have people walking through your picture. The end of part 1. Please continue to part 2, and please like and subscribe.